The foul committed by jersey number 2. Jersey number 2. That is your third personal foul and first team foul for the second half. Jersey number 8. Free. Jersey number 15. For 2. Pumasok. Oh, kunti lang lamang. Oh. Jersey number 00. For 2, wala. Rebound. Oh, mayroon tayong Duron foul. Duron foul committed by jersey number 00. That's your first personal foul and first team foul, the Casims. Hindi ka basan. Tali ka ng tamaan tibula. Okay, jersey number 15. Jersey number 2 for 3, wala. Rebound by number 99. Dribbling the ball. Ang galing. Mayroon tayong holding foul committed by jersey number 2. Inguyon na de Imana. Tayo nag-dribble.
Penalty kanton.
Warning for... jersey number 2, Sir Josue, that's your fourth personal foul. Warning for graduation. Sagana kayong didiploma tag-graduar ng dama. Right? Joke lang. Jersey number 5, to 00. Wala. Oh. Baka kung na nakag-graduar ako, at least ada diploma, uray maapak kami, kung na sa amin tayo. Alright, intercepted. 99 for 2. Wala, rebound by number 5. Mayroon tayong foul committed by, holding foul committed by jersey number 15. Jersey number 15, that is your third personal foul and third team foul. Jersey number 00 to number 5 for 3. Wala. Rebound by number 9. Foul to 00. Wala. Rebound by number red. Pass to 26. Go to number 15. To 15. 4-2. Wala. Iba yung ikot ng bula.
Malas.
Number 99.
Dalawa na yun. Ay,
99. 5 minutes in 8 seconds. 10 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 7 to shoot. Wala. Rebound by number 5. Wala pa rin. Rebound by 99. Pumasok. 26. 26. Now red. Ay, wala. Line violation. Muna ng the Casims. 4 minutes and 39 seconds. 4 minutes and 39 seconds. Number 5. Dribbling the ball. Makikita. Dandanan natin nag-balunan. Dandanan natin balon. Okay, saganan yung balon. Ito rotot. Jersey number 99. Intercepted. Pass to 0-0. 0-0. Pass to number 33. Yes, sir. Basketball. Jersey number 15. Number 15. Shoot the ball. Wala.
Malas talaga.
Remaining time 3 minutes and 52 seconds. 52. Okay, hold ball mula sa kabila. Juniors ball. Naka-red. Hindi ka basa? Hindi ka man samahan. Naka-red. Layup. Yes, sir! Galing-galing na naka-red. Idol ko. Ay, joke lang.
Ay, joke lang.
Mga maganda na ang pambiyak.
Ay, joke lang.
Jersey number 5 to 99. 99 pass to 08 for free! Bang! 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 Ang galing-galing! Idol ko rin yun, ay! To 99. Number 5, Sir Jerry. To number 08, pass to 99. Bakit di mo ginawang 100 yung number mo, sir? Number 5,
Ayaw nga daw.
pass to 00. Okay, number 5. Yes, sir! Okay, lumalayo na sila. Nandun na sila sa Amerika. Ay, habol. Juniors. Jersey number 2.
Oh, ng 10.
Jersey number 2. Now, humay diskarte. Pumunta sa kapila. Number 26. Wala, hindi pumasok.
Ay,
Nagaw, pass to 99. To number 5. Number 5. Pass to 33. 8 to shoot. 8. Right. 7 to shoot. 3 seconds violation. Nangitlog na yung balot. Huwag nyo kasing pisaan. Huwag magtagal para hindi mangitlog yung balot. Ay, balik. Huwag pagkain hindi mangitlog. Naka-red. Dribbling the ball. Pass to number 15. Pass to jersey number 0 to. Pass to number 15. Uy, umilaw yung traffic. Puro yung nagsultip ni fans. Kahit pumunta Gregory ko na. Always nang tumatag dyan yung referring na naman, Sir Brian. Tatas, refer to Basing. Sir Jerry. To Sir Ken. To number 5. 10 to shoot. Intercepted by number 26.
Likod.
Intercepted. Nag-shoot sa free throw. Wala. Ay, ang galing-galing. Yes, sir. By number 26. Jersey number 5. Jersey number 5. 1 minute and 20 seconds. 1 minute and 20 seconds. 1:14. Wala. Mula sa kabila. 1 minute and 10 seconds. Our official score, 24-16. Walo lang yan, juniors. Walo lang. Joke lang. Ano na natin? Alright. Now red. Alright. Dribbling the ball. Okay. Pass to number 2 for 3. Bang! 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 Napagtugan niya muna. Number 5. Last 57 seconds. Oh, malapit nang matapos. Ang team nagkibalunan. Sagsagana ngayon, Nakasins. Sinagibalon. Okay, to number 8. Pass to number 33. 45. 10 to shoot. Mayroon tayong foul sa 3 points. Okay, jersey number 26. That's your... 3 shots awarded to number 99. 26, that is your... 4th personal foul. Tantani ka graduaran jersey number 26. Agisagara kayo mo tinipluman na graduar. Basket, another one. Okay. Last 39 seconds. Ay, sagana na kita turutot ka na balunan. Mamuhan tayo ti champion. Ang champion na kita team tinapipintas team volleyball. Okay. Jersey number 26. Dribbling the ball. 35 seconds. 15 for 3. Wala. Number 5. 25 seconds. 20 seconds. 15 seconds. Tinago niya balon. Another basket, yes sir! 10 seconds.
9, 8,
5, 4, 3, 2, 1! Nagtinag yung balunan. Okay, congratulations.
Nagitay kakasinsin